My background is in organizational strategy, learning and development, et cetera. And I think that because of that, I look at AI a little bit differently than a lot of tech folks do, which all of you in HR are in the same boat, right? Because I come from a non-technical background, I tend to get a little bit less lost in the complexity of the code, but more what the code can do for us. I am also pretty obsessed, to be honest, with AI ethics and how we can learn to build solutions that actually improve our minds and not make us cognitively lazy. My overall philosophy when it comes to AI is that we can build these solutions without losing our minds or ourselves. And I think that if we do it right, we can truly improve our own knowledge and decision making. So we're going to work through that today.
That is it for the preview of this workshop. If you found this topic interesting, please consider subscribing so that you're notified the next time we live stream. The live stream each month is free, and then the recording is made available to members of the mastermind. So please consider joining our community at aiforhrmastermind.com. And please feel free to tell your friends about the live sessions. Thanks.